Guys, if you have any problems with App Store on your iPhone, this video will help you. If you already tried to reinstall your App Store and it does not work, your App Store still has some issues, it does not show some particular apps or it does not start at all, well, then I have one more last solution for you that will guarantee to help you in this problem. So what you want to do is open the Settings app. You want to tap on it once, just like so. Here you want to scroll slightly down to find this General tab. You want to tap on it once as well, and then scroll all the way down to find this Transfer or Reset iPhone. You want to tap on it as well, and here you have two options. The first one is the reset and the second one is erase all content and settings. So you don't want to do the second one because this will just delete all of your photos and files and everything that is stored on your iPhone. You don't want to do this because this is not necessary. So what you want to do is to tap on reset. So here it gives you many different options, including resetting network settings, resetting keyboard dictionary and other stuff, but none of those will help you in this issue except one, which is resetting all of your settings. So what this will do is it will reset all of your settings of your iPhone to the default settings. All right. So if you do this, make sure you understand that none of those settings we will be able to get back to cancel the process. You will not be able to do it. So once you press on it, it asks you for your passcode. Once you enter your passcode, the process will begin. And as I said, you will not be able to cancel it. So make sure that you're ready for this. Okay, this is only about your settings. None of your files or photos will be damaged. Okay. So once you start the process, just leave your iPhone for 5 to 10 minutes to finish this process, to finish resetting all the settings so the process finishes properly and as it should. And once it's done, take your iPhone and check if the App Store application works properly and as it should, and I guarantee you that it will. Okay, if you found this video useful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel.